family is what truly matters. Hey dude, I've heard it's all changed for you. Yes, absolutely. I've got big plans in the pipeline. I don't know if it's entirely the right decision, but I do know I can't carry on in this job. I feel like it's dragging me into the ground. I know that feeling. When I was at university, the idea of being high up in a company such as this sounded powerful and appealing. But now I'm here. All I want is for it all to stop. It's affecting my marriage, and I hardly see my children. I can't remember the last time I was home early enough to put them to bed. That's tough. I think it's great you've evaluated everything and are willing to make changes. What are you going to do differently in your new job? I want to have more flexibility and control over my schedule. I want to be able to attend my children's school events and have dinner with my family every night. That sounds like a great plan. What other activities are you planning to do with your family? I want to take them on more vacations and spend quality time with them on the weekends. I also want to start a family game night every week to build a strong bond with them. Those are great ideas. It's important to make time for your family and build those memories together. Definitely. I've realized that work is not everything. I couldn't agree more. You won't regret this decision. So, when do you finish here? We need to send you off in style. I've still got to work my notice until the end of the month, so we've got time to organize something yet. Great. Leave it to me.